If you're trading crypto on Crypto.com and want to protect your money from sudden price drops, a stop loss is one of the safest tools you can use. It automatically sells your position once the price hits the level you choose. In this video, we're talking about how to set a stop loss, what order types are available, and what most people overlook when using them. Crypto.com offers stop loss tools only inside the Crypto.com exchange, not the simple Crypto.com app. So before anything, make sure you're using Crypto.com exchange, a web or app, not the standard buy-sell interface. If you don't switch, you won't see stop loss orders at all. Then open the crypto exchange, choose spot, search for the crypto you want to protect. For example, BTC, USDT. Tap the pair to open the full trading interface. Then, to set the stop loss, you must be on sell since you're exiting your position. Under order type, choose stop limits. Crypto.com does not support pure stop market orders, only stop limit, which means a stop price triggers the order, a limit price sets the minimum price you accept. And now you can set a stop price. This is the price that activates your stop loss. If you're long, set your stop price below current market price. Example, BTC is $60,000. Your protective level is 58,000. Set stop price at 58,000. And the set limit price now. This is the price the system will try to sell at once the stop triggers. Example, limit price is 57,800. You can use a little lower to make sure the order fills in fast markets. And then you can enter exact quantity or percentage of your holdings. Make sure the amount matches what you want to sell automatically. Tap sell and confirm. Your stop loss order now appears in open orders until activated. So this is how you set a stop loss on Crypto.com using stop loss limit orders. It's one of the best ways to prevent big losses and automate your exit strategy. If you want more crypto tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe.